Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Welcome to Tamim's English Kia. This is MD Tamim in front of you. Right now I am walking middle of the mustard field. What a beautiful scenario. Just to have a look back to me and around me. I'm surrounded by the mustard field. It is look like awesome, mesmerizing, splendid. It has been glittering time to time. It's evening time after praying Asr Salat. We are now visiting in this area. Well, look at back to me. He is my nephew, and we are now walking here. After looking this view, we can't stand on the road. We think we should go in the mustard field. It will be better. That's why right now we are now. What a beautiful scenario. Actually, when I get natural view, I try to spend my time with this nature. Natural beauty stretch my thinking power and give me motivation to give something, to do something in my life. That's why I try to go to the nature, go to the natural beauty. This is the thing. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Thomas English Care. Bye bye.